In this example, we have 4 different graphs. Graph 1, and then graph 2, and then graph 3, and then graph 4. So, and we need to find some limits. So for the first function, we need to find a limit of f of x as x approaches -1. So we need to do, well, let's do the right side. Let's rewrite it as limit of f of x, x approaches -1 from the right side, and then a limit of f of x as x approaches -1 from the left side, and then C, we need to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 1. So from the left side, what we do, we go here and then we do this vertical line, and then for A, we try to do limit as x approaches -1 from the right side. So we come from the right side of -1, following the graph until we hit that line, and we stop and then read the y value. The y value is 3, so from the right side is 3. Same thing, limit for B, limit of f of x as x approaches -1 from left side. We come from the left side until we hit the line, we stop and read. If we read, it's 3. So limit is 3. Now if the A and B, which means a right limit and left limit, if they equal, then that's the limit. So in this case, that is 3, limit of f of x, x approaches 1. If those numbers happen to be different, then you say limit does not exist. And here's a good example for 2. This is when the limit does not exist. See, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do the line, the vertical line. Alright, so limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right side. Just follow the graph until you hit the line and read the y value is 3. So this is 3. Now from left side of 2, just keep going through the graph till you hit that line and read. You read the y value 1. So this is 1. And then since our right and left are not equal, 3 and 1 are not equal, then here you're going to say does not exist. So limit of f of x as x approaches 2 does not exist. In other words, there's a break. Now for number 3, it's the same thing. We're doing limit from the right side, so we need to do that line. From the right side of -2, just keep going till you hit the line and read the y value. It's 2.5. Now from left side, same thing, keep going until you hit the line. It's 2.5. Right and left are equal, therefore this is just 2.5. For number 4, as x approaches 1 from the right side, now it's never going to hit that line, the vertical line. So we know it's going to get larger and larger and larger. And this is positive infinity for y values. So the right side will be positive infinity. As x approaches 1 from the left side, if you keep following it this way, this is actually negative infinity for y values. So this is negative infinity. Now if you've been asked to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 1, you're just going to say does not exist. But remember, even on the right and left, infinity means does not exist. But it just tells us more information, that it's getting larger and larger. And that's it for this example.